FIFISH V6 Expert is a professional-level, compact size, and operational ROV platform, a highly secure and efficient underwater productivity tool offering a simple yet powerful piloting experience. Effortless installation features. The ROV's fin-inspired handle design elevates its stability and balance of movement underwater. Simple and quick underwater deployment and expertly equipped to handle a range of professional-level scenarios. FIFISH V6 Expert adopts the award-winning streamlined design of the V6 series with a newly refined build, minimizing water resistance and turbulence with an upgraded outer shell that fully protects its internal motors. With a maximum diving depth of 100 meters, it delivers a secure solution to explore and operate at a greater range. Lock your depth with one click and hover across the oceans with precision and smoothness. Our patented Q-motor system is fully sealed from corrosion and sand damage with double the power. The new Q-Steady 2.0 stabilization algorithm produces an exceptional piloting experience and outstanding imagery for your missions. With a top speed of 3 knots and an efficient power usage system, it delivers efficient speeds and enhanced lengths for your diving missions. Utilizing its patented 6-propeller design and system, it allows the FIFISH V6 Expert to move with complete freedom underwater. Lock the ROV's posture at any 360-degree angle as you move across the waters and carry out aquatic missions with increased flexibility and autonomy. Our VR head tracking leverages unique sensory controls, delivering an immersive experience in first-person view of the ROV. Accurate, user-friendly, and truly a breakthrough for underwater explorations. FIFISH V6 Expert comes equipped with a 4K ultra-high-definition camera lens, as well as an expansive 166-degree field of view, capturing your underwater moments with cinematic clarity. Applying intelligent algorithms and 4K low-noise shooting helps to bring out the details and vibrancies of the complex environments below. Along with a pair of beaming 6,000 lumen LED lights, operate without worries in dim and turbid subaquatic conditions. Experience brilliant, vivid, and vibrant surroundings even in the darkest spaces. FIFISH V6 Expert comes with a secure micro SD card slot, enabling fast transfer and storage of files, equipped with a powerful battery for long-lasting dives, which delivers fast charging capabilities to 90% capacity within 1 hour. Enhance your underwater missions with the optional onshore power supply system that facilitates simultaneous charging and operation, where you can carry out your underwater tasks free from low-power anxiety, where you can attain safe, uninterrupted, and continuous operations. With add-on observation tools, including additional HD cameras, imaging sonar, elevate the experience in your underwater explorations. Introducing supplemental measuring tools, which include the compass ruler, laser scaler, distance and altitude meters, thickness gauge, and hydrophone. Get accurate and dependable dimensions for objects underwater. Utilize powerful manipulator tools including the robotic arm, retrieval hook, fish clamp, fishing net, and dozer. Enhance the capabilities of your salvaging missions and explorations. Obtain expandable tools for element sampling, including water samplers, dissolved oxygen sensor, salinity sensor, turbidity sensor, pH sensor, and sludge sampler. Get a detailed and data-backed understanding of your underwater environments. Acquire expandable tools for navigation, including underwater positioning systems and Doppler velocity logs. Track your ROV's position with high precision and reliability. Easy to equip accessories made for the user's professional requirements. Jump between tasks and operations with ease and efficiency. Experience the ultimate professional level, compact size, and operational ROV platform. FIFISH V6 Expert, the ultimate underwater productivity solution.